Welcome to Al-Hawarit Academy. Today, we will explore the debate about whether machines can replace human workers. Are machines ready to take over jobs that have traditionally been performed by humans? AI's most prominent impact has been in automating routine tasks. Industries like manufacturing are already seeing efficiency gains. Automated systems can assemble products and manage inventory. Jobs that require low skill and are repetitive are at risk. AI excels at pattern recognition but lacks the human ability to think creatively or display empathy. Jobs requiring emotional intelligence will persist. Professions like teaching and healthcare are less likely to be replaced. Humans bring empathy, judgment, and adaptability. Rather than replacing workers, AI will transform jobs and create new opportunities, focusing on higher-level work. As AI handles routine tasks, employees can shift to decision-making and problem-solving roles, leading to new job roles. Workers will need to actively upskill to stay competitive in an AI-driven job market, emphasizing collaboration with AI. While AI will disrupt the job market, it won't fully replace human workers. Adapting to changes will be crucial. The real question is not if AI will replace us, but how we will evolve our roles in an AI-driven world.